We'll guide you through how to generate prompts for ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once there, sign into your account or create one if you haven't already. After you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the API section. Here, you'll find the Playground, which is a fantastic tool for generating prompts. In the Playground, you can experiment with different types of prompts by typing directly into the text box. Think about the specific kind of response or information you're looking for and type your prompt accordingly. For instance, if you need a creative story, you could start with create a story about followed by the topic or theme. If you're looking for information, try starting your prompt with explain how or what is. The key is to be clear and concise with your prompt to get the best responses. Once you've typed your prompt, you can hit the generate button to see what ChatGPT comes up with. If you're not satisfied with the response, you can tweak your prompt or try different wording. Another tip is to use specific keywords or phrases that are relevant to the topic to guide the AI in the right direction. You can also adjust the parameters like temperature and max tokens to influence the creativity and length of the response. Remember to save your successful prompts for future use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.